guys, and welcome back to Wild and Wonderful Homestead with Ellen and little Ellie Rose here. Now today we're going to show you how we made our very own gardening table. I've wanted one for a really long time, just because it makes it easier for potting the plants, and when you've picked your veggies you can wash them and all that good stuff. Now every single thing we used for our gardening table was either old stuff that we already had laying around, or we just reused stuff. Well, we like our table, don't we? Yeah, and what you got there?
Fires.
It's a celery. You got celery. You want to show them? What you got? Celery!
Celery.
And little Ellie here likes this gardening table too, because it means she can help out. Alrighty, we're going to show you how we did it. You gonna smile? Say cheese!
Cheese. Gardening table, and if you guys need any tips or tricks, just comment below.